Hi guys, welcome back to the Dutch Pilot channel where I take you along on my flights and life as an airline pilot. Today I'll take you along on my flight back towards the Netherlands. But before we land in Amsterdam, I want to give a big thank you to Odoo for partnering with me on this video. Have you ever thought about starting your own business or creating a website? Odoo makes it so simple and fast, you wonder why you didn't start sooner. Odoo is an all-in-one management software that offers more than 45 apps to manage your whole business on just one platform. The Odoo Website Builder app is a powerful tool designed to help you build a website quickly, easily and efficiently. The first app is completely free for life with unlimited hosting and support. Odoo also offers a free personalized domain name for 1 year. Whether you're launching a business, showcasing your creativity, or sharing a passion, Odoo gives you everything you need to create a website that stands out in just 4 easy steps. Step 1. Define the type of the website, the industry, and your goals. Step 2. Choose a color palette or upload your logo. Step 3. Add pages and features. Step 4. Select a theme. You can use the intuitive drag and drop editor to add content such as text and images. You can tweak the design and make the website truly yours. Head over to the link in the description box and discover how easy and fast it is to build a website that works for you. Your dream website is literally just a few clicks away. Ik heb al een heel aantal landing video's op dit kanaal gepubliceerd, maar nog geen landing op de Kaagbaan in mijn homebase Amsterdam. Dus ja, zullen we dan maar gaan kijken?
2,500. 100, 50, 40, 30, 20,